Okay, so we are in this 3D printing technology laboratory. Okay, so this is your 3D printing machine. Okay, so what is the basic purpose of this 3D printing machine? As you know that how the 2D printer is used for that 2D printing, we can say that figures and writing. Okay, so this type of 3D printing machine is used for the 3D printing model by using the same technology for 2D printing. As we are using the 2D printing technology, means that sign is just applying over that page. Here also this type of wire is extruding from this extruder, and that wire is melting over here, and just because of that one layer is formed. Now first layer is formed, after that on that particular layer the second layer is also formed. By layer there are different type of layer is been contained, and we can say that one complete 3D printing model has been generated. So right now we have placed one 3D printed model, and it's that is your Taj Mahal. Okay, but what is the main function of this 3D printer? So nowadays we are in that era in which we require that customization and personalization. Okay, so for that customization and personalization we require this type of 3D printer. After 5 to 10 years, we have in everyone's house or in everyone's we can say shops, this type of 3D printing will be available. So now it's time to learn about the software and the 3D printer, how this 3D printer is work, okay, by using the software. So right now that is your software. So whatever the CAD file you are generating from the Creo and different CAD software, that will be fed inside this, and after having a different type of, we can say that commands. So we can set the different scaling option, we can set the different viewing option. So from here we can slice this component, whatever the component we are giving over here, so that will be sliced into different slices. As we have talked about, that is your layer manufacturing technique. So it will be sliced into different layers, and after that it will be going on your 3D printer. Is we can see in red wire, and second one is in blue wire. Okay, so if we want to design two wired or two colored shapes, so it can also be made from this machine. So right now we have made one Taj Mahal, and that is made by this red material only. So by using this extruder, right extruder, about different technology or different applications. Okay, so some of the application or some of the model we have made here. So this is your Sigma, our Sigma's logo. Okay, so as you can see that this is Sigma Group of Institute of Knowledge and Power. So that is a Sigma's logo, and we have made it in